Used these between two transceivers and switches. Worked well with no issues. Cables as described and the correct specifications. This is a perfect product for a short run to my server with 10 GB connection. Four stars however, because I paid for next day delivery and placed the order before 4 o'clock, but the item didn't arrive for another 3 days. Still, would buy from this vendor again as the product is high quality. Tested all 5 cables and had no issues. I purchased these to run some connections between a few servers and my 10G switch. These were the perfect length, and what I liked the most was the thickness of the jacket. You can get thinner jackets, but this holds up better in the back of a high-temperature rack when running it around cable management. These worked well and had very good calibration for minimal light loss. I'll definitely buy these again. Connector quality seems decent and they secure in just as well as other brands at 2 to 3 times the price. They might not be as durable as more expensive brands, but for a rack that sees little to no equipment movement we don't need anything special, and these work perfect, especially for the price. Wanted to get a lightning break between some of the network hardware and PCs. These fiber cables work, and are affordable. It is the shortest patch I was able to find at a reasonable cost. Surely nice patch fibers. I bought these to join some OM1 fiber under clear water. Probably not the intended use, but it's working at 70 megabits per second. Worked perfectly with my 10G fiber media converter. Patch cord came packed well, plus convenient that channels are labeled. Click link in description for more reviews.